everyone, and welcome aboard the world famous Jungle Cruise. Just a few reminders, keep your hands on, feet and legs inside the boat. Also, please make sure to stay seated, and please watch your young children. Well, folks, we're now approaching the Amazon rainforest. It rains here about 365 days a year. Boy, that's a lot of rain. Oh, and look over here on the right-hand side, our first sign of nature. Coming up here on the right-hand side is the Indiana Jones symbol of the Forbidden Eye, where Indiana Jones is looking for treasure on an epic adventure. And over here on the left-hand side, guys, you gotta... Over here on the left-hand side is a Bengal tiger, one of the most dangerous animals in the jungle, and one of the most poisonous jungle snakes, the king cobra. Well, folks are now approaching the elephant bathing pool. Yeah, you can take your picture. They all have their trunks on. Coming around the corner there is no fountain. She's been in the shower. Just look at all those wrinkles. Down here in the water is our baby elephant, of course. Oh, and look over here, that's a big squirt. Get down, squirt. Good boy. Coming up here on the right-hand side is our spoiler. Now, looks like those guys are really made that place so fast. Even turn that upside down. Well, folks are coming up this Zambezi River. If you look here on the right-hand side, you can see George the gorilla. And he really likes bananas. So don't like bananas, or he'll find you appealing. Oh. Coming up ahead is Fletcher Falls. Yeah, it's named after the great discoverer of the Albert Falls. And coming up ahead is the Nile River. Yeah, it goes for miles and miles. You don't believe me, then you're in denial. Over here on the left and the right is one of the largest elephants in nature. African bull elephant. And he's got different 13 feet long. Boy, that's a lot of elephants. Over here on the right-hand side are some giraffes and some canoes. Up down the hill are some gazelle, and down below are some zebras. Oh, and look over here, that pride of lions is watching over that giant zebra. Yeah, I guess we should let him rest in. Oh, and look over here, folks. The hunting party is learning what happens when you try to hunt a rhino. You get the points at the end. Well, folks, as we turn the corner, we're coming into our hippo pool. Yeah, they've been kind of interesting this today. We've already sunk one of our boats and stuff there in the water. Yeah, you just gotta be careful, because you can tell this thing just to this when you look over there. It's blow bubbles. Uh-oh, does not look good. Hold on, folks. I'll save you. I'm gonna scare them off. Hold yours, everyone. Yeah, it looks like it's good. And up ahead, looks like those guys have taken over one of our boats and grounded it. Yeah, the guy in front of the Bobo, he's one of our chief chefs. Yeah, he likes to jump in boats and take joyrides. Oh, look at the guy in back. Yeah, he's quite the swinger. As we turn the corner here, folks, on the left-hand side, that's Cleo and Leo. Now you're supposed to say, what about butterflies? They're not what they used to be. Caterpillars. Well, fortunately, our folks is one of the great wonders of the world. The backside of water! Yeah, that refreshes me every time. As we turn the corner here, folks, we're coming into our fauna pool, so please make sure to keep your hands and your arms inside. We don't want you to lose them. And coming up ahead is one of the giant anacondas here in the jungle. Yeah, it looks like he's trying to threaten that baby wildebeest over there. Yeah, but mama wildebeest is having no part of it. Coming up here on the left-hand side is Trader Sam's gift shop. Yeah, they get various oddities from the vast jungle. Oh, look at those guys with their refuge flags. Yeah, they're kind of bring their refuge. You know what we saw? 2 dogs? That's Paragon.